Welcome! Today we're making Khara Pongal, a quick, comforting, and nutritious dish that both children and adults love. It is soft, mild, and easy to digest, making it perfect for busy mornings. Now, let's begin step by step with the ingredients and cooking process. First, take half a cup of rice and half a cup of yellow moong dal. This equal ratio gives the right balance of taste, softness, and nutrition. Rice provides gentle energy, while moong dal adds plant-based protein that supports healthy growth in children. Wash the rice and dal thoroughly until the water runs clear. The leftover rice water can be reused for plants as a natural fertilizer. Next, add 4 cups of water. Add whole black pepper. Add a few cloves, a pinch of turmeric, 1 spoon of ghee, salt, and optionally a low spice chili. Pressure cook until the mixture becomes soft and creamy. Ghee helps with nutrient absorption and supports brain development, while black pepper gently aids digestion. While the cooker is cooking, prepare a simple tempering. Heat ghee or oil in a pan on a low flame. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a few peppercorns. Next, add ginger, curry leaves, and a pinch of hing. Ginger helps reduce bloating, curry leaves support iron absorption, and hing makes the dish gentle on the stomach. Next, add cashews and fry until lightly golden. Cashews add healthy fats and make the dish more filling. Optional ingredients like a small amount of spring onion greens or cherry tomato can be added for freshness and color, especially for older children. Khara Pongal is a favorite because it uses simple ingredients and is gentle on the stomach. Children love its soft texture and mild flavor, and parents love that it is nutritious and quick to cook. It is also suitable for babies from 6 months who are starting solid foods when prepared without added salt and strong spices. Once the rice and dal are cooked well, turn the flame low or off, then pour the cooked mixture into the tempering and mix gently. Adjust water and salt as needed. The final texture should be soft, creamy, and comforting. Khara Pongal is an excellent choice for growing children. Rice and moong dal together provide complete protein for growth and strength. The complex carbohydrates give steady energy, helping children stay full and active. Ginger and black pepper support digestion, making it a gut-friendly meal. It is naturally gluten-free and rich in minerals like iron and potassium. Optionally, you can add extra ghee with the tempering if your child loves ghee. Otherwise, this step can be skipped. Khara Pongal is best served hot. It is a dish that grows with your family, from baby food to a lifelong comfort meal. Simple, nourishing, quick, and loved by all ages.
Wow!
If you enjoyed this recipe, Please like, share, and subscribe for more kids-friendly and family-approved meals. Happy cooking!